So, to solve this problem, remember we've got to do the same thing to both sides. Draw your river of love, draw your train tracks, whatever is going to help you remember that I need to keep this equation balanced by doing the same thing to both sides. Otherwise, it's going to become unbalanced, and it's not an equation anymore. So this is just a one step. I only see one operation. If you're in my class, you hear me say it all the time. Side by side means multiply. So normally, if that was just like a whole number, if that was an integer, we would be dividing to get rid of that coefficient. But now our coefficient is a fraction. And to get rid of that fraction coefficient, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. Remember, the reciprocal means we flip our numerator and our denominator because they are a multiplicative inverse of each other. So my 1 was up top in the numerator, now it's in my denominator. 3 goes up top, it's now in my numerator. If I multiply and divide by 3, they simplify to 1. 1 over 1, that simplifies to 1. So this simplifies to 1x, but as lazy math people, we're just going to write x. We're not going to write that 1 in front. We're going to work smarter, not harder. So I'm left with x on my left side. And then if I multiply by 3 over 1 on this side, I should get 27. I should get that x is equal to 27 for my answer. If you picked 3, that's probably because you just multiplied both sides by 1/3 and you just did 9 divided by 3. If you got 1/3, maybe you just kept that fraction, you didn't understand the question. And if you got 6, maybe you subtracted 3 instead of multiplying by 3. So there's our first problem.